Hello everyone. Asyoro adangba adangmasi. My name is Subba. I am from Online Limbu tutorial. You are welcome back to this Limbu learning YouTube channel. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe it. After subscribing, hit the notification bell. When I upload a new video to this channel, you will get the video instantly. In the previous video, I have taught to pronounce the symbol of Limbu consonant letters, Ektum Saksaa. Today, I got a new lesson for you, that how to pronounce the Limbu semi-vowels or glide. I think it is a unique letter in our language. Such letters may not be available in other languages. This course is also available on my website. You can sign up to Online Limbu tutorial. See the link here, www.sansibsubba.com/online-limbu-tutorial. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See the link here, www.facebook.com/online-limbu-tutorial, www.instagram.com/online-limbu-tutorial. Let's back to today's lesson, how to pronounce the Limbu semi-vowels or glide. There are 3 semi-vowel letters in our language which are known as Ektum Saksaa. Please follow my pronunciation in order to learn the Ektum Saksaa. Are you ready? Let's start. Ektum ya, Ektum ya, Ektum ra, Ektum ra, Ektum wa, Ektum wa. I hope you learned the Ektum Saksaa, the Limbu semi-vowels or glide. If you like my video, please like it and share it to your friends. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. It is free. If you want to do discussion, you can join on Online Limbu student groups on Facebook. Your suggestions and feedbacks are most welcome. Just drop me at onlinelimbu-tutorial@gmail.com or write me on the comment wall. Thank you for being with Subba. See you, meet you in the next lesson. Kambarak Sewaro Nugenlo.